Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're back, guys. I gotta get this finished, guys. I've been tied up on some other stuff, but I gotta get this going. Now, where we leave off, I told y'all I have since gotten a wrench for this. I told y'all I left my parts, right? Yes, I got all my parts, guys. Here, what we gonna need? I only need these because I got the intake plenum off. I'm gonna go in with new seals, and of course the rock arms, right? Yes, I got these. Have 8 in a bag, so I have 3 bags, which means 8 times 3 is 24. Let's look at this part number. The latest and greatest. This says AH, guys. I want to think. I don't know. I think AH is the greatest, or the latest and greatest. All right, so I got 3 bags of these. Now I can complete this job. Okay. Now, guys, another thing I left that I'm not gonna worry about because it ain't that I left it. I don't know where it's at. And frankly, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't need it. And what I'm talking about is 3.62. Now, I don't want this video to come off as reckless, so I'm gonna tell you guys I'm not gonna use any tools. So I don't want you. That's why I'm not good with tutorial videos. All right. Now, I do have a real good tutorial video on. I'm gonna do bank 1 right here. I have a good tutorial video using the special tools. I even use a cutaway view of an engine I had on the table. I want y'all to go watch that video. Now, you can watch me in action. I'm going to set the camera up and watch me in action doing this. Again, I'm not going to use any tools simply because I don't need any tools. I have done so many of these. I know the field. I know what to do. Okay, so, but you, on the other hand, please use the correct tool. All right, so I got a lot of work to do. I don't want to spend a lot of time, but I want to go over some, guys, and I want y'all to see this. And I'm going to make sure I film me installing these rock arms. I just got off an interesting interaction with a guy on my YouTube channel that's commenting on this video, the last video I uploaded. Xren, I want to call it Xren Vam. Let me read to y'all the very last thing Xren Vam said. He accused me of missing his point. His point was, I guess he missed. Let me clarify something, guys. I would never, ever use a used rocker arm. That is extremely dumb and risky. Okay, who on a earth mind find a rocker arm laying around and use those? So Xren suggesting that it is exactly what I'm gonna do. He's under the impression that I'm going to replace this one rock arm, stop the ticking, and keep the other 23 to myself. Yeah, y'all believe that? This clown. Let me read the last thing he said, our interaction. No, you missing the point. Parts from the shop are not yours for the taking. Let me stop right there. Yes, they are. Okay? If I see 4 camshafts in the trash can, a mechanic done throw it away and I see nothing wrong with them. Xren, yes, they're mine for the taking. Okay, let me get that out the way. Other thing he said, this is not some personal being from which you are profiteering. Hope this personal client gets a receipt of all those rocker arms that you supposed to replace. Bet you're going to keep the 23 good rocker arms for your next personal client. Now, he basically suggesting I'm a steal. I'm a thief. He basically suggested I'm a thief. Y'all believe it? I don't want nobody to turn on this guy. I don't know him. He don't know me. And he have it's in his jurisdiction to comment anything you want. You can comment all you want, guys. I told y'all I have thick skin. But for this guy to suggest I'm going to mislead or basically lie to my customer, I'm going to, at least he gave me credit. He's saying I'm at least replace the one rock arm and keep the other 23. Mr. Xren Vam, I have nothing bad or negative to say to you. But I will say, if that is one of your big concerns, let me ease your mind, okay? In fact, Xren, I want you to watch this video. You're going to see me install all of these, all right? Again, you don't know me, I don't know you. Why make you suggest that I'm going to steal from my so-called, quote-unquote, personal client? Look how he worded that. Xren Vam seems like a pretty cool dude. I don't know what a left turn. I don't know how you went left. But for the record, guys, I'm not using used rock arm. I'm using brand new rock arms. And I'm going to reuse this cam. Xren, you can reuse a freaking camshaft, okay? This is not going to affect anything. Xren want me to replace this. He suggested I call the customer, ma'am, you need $350 and get a new one. No, I don't benefit off parts sales, okay? This is the same labor I'm going to get whether I use this cam or a new one. And quite frankly, there's nothing wrong with this cam. It's got a scratch on it because the rocker arm was coming apart. I caught it early enough to where it's not damaging the load. All right, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this clown. All right, but I will do, what I'm about to do is get to work. So, X-Ren, pull up a chair, my man. Grab you a beer or whatever you drink. Sit back and watch your boy JT the car guy in action. I'm finna replace all these. I'm going to do this cylinder head. Guys, I hate these long videos. So this is going to be like a 12, 13, 15-minute video. I'm going to do this side on this video. And I'm going to do this side on another video. But I want Mr. X-Ren to please watch both so you'll be certain and you'll know for sure that I replaced all 24, okay? I hate a bad image like that. I want to make sure I please Mr. X-Ren Bam. Guys, I got work to do. Let me prop up a camera. I got to go. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, I'm back. I have bank one complete now, guys. I'm getting ready to put the valve cover on. I don't want them both valve covers off while I'm doing one or the other. So, bank one was fairly super easy. Okay, I don't know if you saw. Like I say, I don't want this video to appear or come off as being reckless. And again, I'm gonna say this again. I highly recommend you use the correct tools for this. If you need a refresher course, watch that video. I already carded that video, so they won't let me card it twice. Well, I did bank one, total disassemble and put back together using the special tool. Okay, this is a front wheel drive. I don't, you know what I'm saying? I was able to complete this without the tools. So I'm getting ready to put the valve cover on. Now, let me go over one thing with you guys. I talked about these oil gallery plugs right here. There's two down here on this head. Guys, these was loose. I forgot to mention that. Always check those and torque those to spec, guys. Some way, somehow, they always work their way loose. They can cause you all kinds of problems. I've seen guys replace oil pumps because these boats had worked their way all the way out. The thing about it is they will cause you to lose oil pressure. Now, the thing about that is nobody ever checks oil pressure, okay? Anytime you did this, a VVT engine, guys, oil level and oil pressure is crucial for this engine to run correct. All right, always keep that in mind. Okay, so if you're not checking oil pressure when you have valve train related fault codes or oil related fault codes, you're doing yourself a disservice. Now, I know it's hard. It's hard to check oil pressure on these guys. There's a cap. You literally should supposed to take this off and put in place your oil pressure reading cap. And then you screw in your gauge right here. I do not have that tool. Now, I can direct you to a buddy of mine's video right here. Motor City Mechanics, David Pikes. He have a real good video explaining the proper way to check oil pressure on a 3.6 Pentastar engine. I do not have that tool. And guys, I highly recommend, again, if you're chasing oil-related problems or oil pressure-related problems, you should be checking oil pressure. All right. So I already know every points where I can lose oil pressure, so I make sure those points are on point. Now, again, I don't want this video to be long. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video. This just, guys, I got like 10 videos on this vehicle. They're gonna be back to back to back to back to back. So I'm gonna put this valve cover on, close this video down, upload this video, and tomorrow, actually, I'm gonna do it tonight, but I'm gonna upload it tomorrow. I'm gonna start with bank two. Now, bank two, as far as tools go, yes, you can't get away with absolutely no tools. What I have here is the pin. This pin right here is used to pull up on the tensioner arm, and this pin right here is used to stab it. We'll talk about that when I get ready to do bank two. So for now, I'm about to end this, put this valve cover on. My man, what's his name? My ex-dude, my ex-buddy, my ex-friend. Oh, where's my old? I want him to see this. Where's all my old? Right there. You see all these old lifters? Damn, what's his name? X-Ram, VAM. Listen, yes, you see that? All right, those are the old rock arms that come off of here. It's a total of, what is it? It's 24 total, so it's 12. This should be 12 lifters or rock arms. Guys, make sure you count them, because if you got 11, that means one is missing. That means there's a chance that it could be in here. I always be paranoid about stuff like that. Obviously, I've been burnt before, right? Yeah, I lost a tool. Never could find a tool until I started the car. Then I knew where my tool went. But yes, X, there go your lifters. X, there go your lifters. So they already on the car. I'm getting ready to install this valve cover. Guys, let me end this video. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next, the other part. Likely going to be part 4 when I do bank 2. All right, thanks for watching.